Welcome to LyFiveElements, where we are dedicated to sharing the wisdom of traditional Chinese metaphysics with the world. Our mission is to teach complex subjects like the four pillars of destiny, Qi Feng Shui, and more in simple, easy to understand English. Subscribe and share our content to help spread this ancient knowledge. Your support is what drives us forward. We also offer personalized one-on-one consultation to guide you on your metaphysical journey. Feel free to leave a comment or contact us directly for more information. Thank you for being part of our community. In the last lesson, we learned how to identify the favorable and unfavorable elements in a Bazi chart. Today, we are going to discuss on discovering your overall luck potential. Based on our previous learning, we have already understood the first step in reading a Bazi chart, determining the strength or weakness of the day master. The second step, once we have determined whether the day master is strong or weak, is to identify the favorable elements and the unfavorable elements. Now, what is the third step? The third step is to assess the person's overall luck throughout their life. The concepts of destiny and luck are different. Destiny refers to the moment you are born and take a first breath, at which point your Bazi is fixed. This is determined by the positions of the stars and planets at your time of birth, which in turn fix your personality and life pursuits. Destiny cannot be changed. Whether you are born male or female, into a wealthy or poor family is determined by destiny, which is immutable. However, as you go through life, the positions of the stars continue to change, influencing different periods of your life with varying energies. This is where luck comes in. For example, your destiny might indicate you have no inherent wealth stars. But during a favorable luck period, if a wealth star shines upon you, you can still become wealthy. Similarly, even if your destiny does not include a rank or position, if a luck period brings an official star, you can attain a significant position. Destiny is fixed, but luck can change. For instance, when good luck comes, we can increase our fortune. If an opportunity to make money arises, we can enhance our wealth stars to earn more. This is known as enhancing good fortune, meaning we strengthen favorable conditions to make them even better. Conversely, when bad luck is approaching, we can take steps to avoid it. This could involve preventing losses, illnesses, accidents, or legal troubles. This practice is known as avoiding misfortune. Learning Bazi and the principles of the I Ching helps us to enhance good fortune and avoid misfortune. This is one of its primary benefits. The application of the I Ching are vast and varied. What we are currently discussing, known as the four pillars of destiny, can only be considered an elementary course within the I Ching discipline. Beyond that, there are more advanced and challenging subjects. The most difficult to learn is Qi Dunjia. Qi Dunjia has the broadest range of applications and can predict the most events. However, it is also the hardest to master. But don't be discouraged or feel like giving up just because some of this might sound difficult. It's actually not impossible to learn. As long as we take it step by step and study a little each day, we will gradually master it. If any of you are interested, I'll keep adding more lessons. Whether it's Bazi or Qi Dunjia, we can all learn together. Since we have come this far, let me also briefly introduce Qi Dunjia. For now, just get a general idea of what it is and what it is used for. It can be used for small matters such as seeking wealth, diagnosing illnesses, finding lost items, predicting pregnancies, and determining the gender of a baby, as well as for predicting marriage, relationship dynamics, lawsuits, and even competition results. On a larger scale, we can predict events like earthquakes, floods, and even changes of dynasties. Let's return to the four pillars of destiny. Here, we need to introduce a concept. Each heavenly stem has 12 different states, which can be seen here. These 12 states are what we refer to as the 12 earthly branches, which correspond to the 12 zodiac animals. Each character has 12 states, namely growth, birth, youth, authority, and prestige. All of these character terms represent rising energy states. After prestige, however, Things reverse due to the principle that extremes lead to opposites, leading to weakening, sickness, death, grave, and termination, which all signify declining the energy states. Additionally, there are conceive and nurture, which represent a neutral state. A person's fortune cycles through these states continuously throughout their life, with a complete cycle occurring every 12 years. In this cycle, 5 years are of ascending fortune, 5 years of descending fortune, and 2 years of neutral fortune. Starting with conceive from the neutral state, this signifies the formation of the embryo and the emergence of life. Then comes nurture, representing the nurturing and growth of the newborn. Next is growth, which literally means growth. This is when the child grows. After growth comes bath, which means bathing and nourishment. After bathing, the child gets dressed and crowned in youth. Authority signifies the preparation for official duties, leading to prestige, which represents the peak of one's life, the most prosperous state. After reaching the peak, decline begins with the weakening, followed by sickness, death, grave, and finally, dissolution into nothingness or termination. After termination, the cycle starts anew with conceive, nurture, and growth, continuously repeating. In this cycle, the states of youth, authority, and prestige are when the energy is at its peak, representing the ascending phase and the pinnacle period. This is the concept of the 12 life stages of the heavenly stance. Please see the next lesson where we provide the luck formation to chart your life's fortune. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and share to join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Your support fuels our passion to keep creating. Got any questions or need personalized guidance? Leave us a comment or get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being part of the LyFiveElements family. If anything is unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to discuss and explore these topics with you. And for those of you who want to understand your Bazi chart but find the learning process too complicated, you can always message me for a one-on-one consultation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support truly motivates me to keep sharing this knowledge. See you in the next lesson.